Three, two, one, go. Hi guys! Hello! Diba? Na-miss nyo na ba ang reaction namin?
I think Melks, happy 5th anniversary from Sydney. Thank you, Miss Melks. And yeah, we're going to record yung audio ngayon, the official release of Visa. Later at noon,
Yeah. So
i-release
let's
naman ang music video.
okay. So let's listen to this one. Okay. Hindi pa available pero this is our first listen.
Sabi ng marami, swerte raw ang makatapak ka ng tae. Sabi na ilayo ng nilagala sila ng may kanay.
Kenny's opening! Kenny's
Grabe.
motherfucking opening song!
Grabe, grabe. Oo. Grabe yung instrument, yung pagpasok doon. So, is this song parang about luck ba ito? About luck? I don't know.
Amoy tagumpay, libreng sagay, wag lang bubuka. Kung sa buray, malapa, pusay, balikan mo na talim.
Teka lang. Di naman kailangan pang ito ipagyabang. Hahayaan ko na lang. Nang umawit ang mundo aking tinagusan. Ano raw? Teka down. Tunay ka maingay when you don't have to make a sound. And that's what's up. True West realist, yeah, I'm top. Tanda ka ba ng araw huling? Sa bulila ako'y nagbang bang bang.
I love that. A
Oh,
different
I love
sound.
you! I still love it!
Yeah, I love that.
Balang araw ko ay titingnan. Kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Kahit wala pa rin dating. Kahit na ano mang gawin. Huwag ka naman kailangan lang ng reason. Kaya kung follow na rin yung reason. Ang hirap talagang lumipad kahit na may patunay na kaya mo na kailangan pa ng visa. Pag mo nakita, bit-bit ko ng mga friends. Aras na dito mga friends.
Galing. Ang galing nung pasok doon, Estelle.
Nabusog lahat sa aking sinain. Ng pag...
Sabi ng marami,
Yes, Bess?
Hindi ko pa gaano maintindihan yung lyrics, pero
Yeah.
yeah.
Pero I'm loving the sound using listen later with your AirPod Gen 4.
Yes, courtesy of Miss Lucy, Ate Lucy, our love.
Because sobrang ganda ng spatial audio.
Spatial as in SPECIAL, spatial.
Spatial audio.
Spatial sa
Yeah.
sikat.
Yeah.
Ang hirap talagang lumipad kahit na may patunay na kaya mo na kailangan pa ng visa. Nakita
Ewan ko kung percussion yun. May ginagamit ba siyang trumpet? May
Trumpet instrument na yeah, percussion
parang-
element. And then very salsa yung mga
very
kids.
Actually,
Ang
I was bilang nagbabad ako kay Bad Bunny, parang I'm feeling that Latin flair and flavor dito sa kantang to, which is a good sign because hindi natatakot ang voice na mag-explore ng mga ganitong types of music, di ba?
bit-bit ko ng mga friends. Aras na dito mga friends. Bumagaling, nabusog lahat sa aking sinaing. Ng pating, nagreklamo pang let tayong kanin. Sorry, pasensya ka na. Alam kong napagod ka sa pagbayo. Ang balusin kita. Tunang tampak mo na parang umiling.
Oh, it's a different kind of voice.
Oh my God, Ken doing a low and then doing a high in one song. I mean, in an SB90. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Kasi ngayon ako ay magaling. Kahit na ano mang gawin. Konting kalmahan lang natin. Let's go. Dito, masaya lang kahit may lahat na para bang pagati lang. May sa baba, sa taas meron na David, Pasco, M. Jacinto, Oro, Trigo, Bruno, Nico, Joseph, ay baka naman, Pablo.
So, he mentioned yung mga notable Filipino abroad. Basically, binanggit niya si Joseph, at baka naman Pablo. Ooh.
True. That's good, that's good.
Iba ang pag-manifest ha. Naniniwala kami dyan.
Winnipeg, wala pa rin natin. Kahit na ano ang gawin. Kailangan lang ng visa. Kaya kung palo na lang ni visa.
Love it.
Oh my God. Sobrang ganda nitong instrumental towards the
I'm
end.
so excited
im-
tomorrow for the
Sorry,
for the MV.
pero etong Crimson, I think it's time for you to sit back and charot. Parang pwede magpahinga siya for this muna. Visa.
Wala pa rin dating. Kahit na ano pa ang gawin. Wipek, wala pa rin dating. Kahit na ano pa ang gawin. Pinoy.
Yun nga, very
Love
salsa, mga ganun yung atake niya. Ang tapang kasi nung snare masyado na ng drums. So parang, oh my God. Plus yung very trumpet shit, pa ko, hindi ako marunong mag-flute lang ang alam ko dati. Pero iba na yung pinuflute ko ngayon.
So definitely we did not capture everything. Of course the lyrics wise, anything. Pero I love actually initially what I thought is the meaning of the song. Parang parang may sarili akong interpretation. Siguro mas maganda mapanood natin yung music video mamaya. Pero what is your take dito sa music na to, na Visa? Are you happy with what you heard, Blake?
Sorry.
So what is your take dito sa Visa? Did you enjoy
Well,
it?
definitely a banger. Parang feeling ko this is the kind of it's not bubblegum, but it's definitely yung may recall na kanta. Tapos hindi, kumbaga ako low-key wishing kasi ako na medyo Big Bang yung
Yung
Bang 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 yung
production.
tahaki nilang yun.
Yung parang production ng
Pero, pero kasi in this part, Matt, parang they gave us a different element but still made it festive. So, at least, andun yung Pinoy element na very drums and then hindi lang ito, I'm low-key managing my expectations kasi we saw the trailer. When I heard Visa kasi parang I was kind of like expecting colorful. Siguro lang they just probably retained dun sa Visa kasi may mensahe silang gustong iparating. Which is I'm also not mad at it. So, I love Visa. Love it. So, after this live, pakikinggan ko to ng like bongga pa.
Yeah. You know, ang nakakatuwa dito kasi parang recently because medyo malaking issue siya sa US, yung kay Bad Bunny headlining the Super Bowl. So, I have no idea at first kung ano yung album niya, kung bakit nanalo siyang album of the year. It's homage sa roots ni Bad Bunny. And surprisingly, nung pinakinggan ko tong Visa kanina with you dito, parang may certain Latin elements akong napakinggan. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero may napakinggan akong Latin doon. What I really appreciate about SB19 is they never forget about their roots. Wala silang nirelease na song na parang na-feel mong parang hindi ito SB, hindi ito SB style. Laging nandun yung trademark at yung tatak nila. So that's what I like. They can really experiment. They can really try out different music productions. Pero nararamdaman mo pa rin na may homage siya sa kung anong nangyayari dito sa Pilipinas. And that's what I like about Visa. 'Di ba? Pero alam mo
Yeah.
Blake, I think more than ito yung parang literal na mare-reject or made-deny ka for a visa, you need to prove your credibility. You need to prove your talaga kung may ibubuga ka ba. Kumbaga sa travel, may capacity ka ba to step, ka bang makapag-travel, and you need to prove that para mag-grant ng visa. I think this is more of uh, mas personal to feeling ko na backstory ng SB19.
Yeah.
Nararamdaman
And
ko
siguro,
meron to.
probably ni-relate to sa visa na parang ano, but I think this is more of a play talaga. And yeah, this is Run Kids. So I understand now why this kasi lyricist, composer, and producer is Run Kids.
Pagdating sa lyrics, if napakaraming nangyayari in a way na parang aming word play na parang it's somehow borderline poetic na parang ang dami mong makukuhang mga um, parang interpretation and meaning. So natutuwa ako kasi hindi ito lazy writing. And
Yeah.
definitely, this is not a lazy production. That's what I hate now. Yung nakakarinig ako ng music production na parang I've heard this somewhere, pero this is like a very generic sound. This one, it has an identity of its own. So congrats Rad Kids and congrats S15. I can't watch the ano. I can't wait to watch the music video in 12 hours. So so Blake, I think you need to rest because we need to see the music video together even
Yeah,
online.
I am definitely drained and capped out for today, but yeah, tomorrow will definitely be another day.
And you have to listen sa iyong AirPods Gen 4.
AirPods for Gen 4, courtesy of Ate
Yes, Ate
Lucy.
Luz.
Thank
At
you.
kailangan
Thank you.
mong buksan yung noise cancellation and you need to do the spatial audio.
Actually, hindi ko pa siya nako-configure kasi parang as it's very advanced from the Gen 2. Charot lang, Bes. Eme ka lang naman, Bes.
Hindi, actually, hindi mo lang alam. Pero ibig sabihin kasi ng Gen 4, ikaw fourth production yung sa iyo. Pero basically, it's just the
Delayed lang
same.
pala, no?
Oo, charot lang. Pero anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. I hope you like this reaction. And sana makarao siya sa YouTube. I have no idea. Pero maraming salamat. Blake, this is outside na ha. So, mag-goodbye na tayo.
Yes,
Bye.
thank you
Thank
very much for
you.
tuning in. I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Matt. See you sa music video.